Hey guys, this is your friendly reminder that sometimes when you have been working very hard and you get tired, you're allowed to rest. You're allowed to take a deep breath, put your toes in the grass, let that amazing fresh air blow over you. Just rest. Mentally, emotionally, physically. Even if it's only for a few moments. Be present in the now. In a minute will take care of itself when it becomes now. And not until then. So, let Mama Nature fill you up and help you recover. You've got this. Blessed be.